So at the moment, the market we are right now is just outside the Putney Bridge. So do you want to say hello? Are you local?
Yes.
Can you tell my viewers a little bit about Bath?
Yes.
Right.
Hello,
Hello.
viewers.
Yeah.
My name is Christopher. I was born and bred in Bath.
Okay.
And it's a beautiful city.
Beautiful.
It dates back to pre-Roman times.
Okay.
But it becomes famous in the Roman period, which is about the 1st century AD.
Exactly.
And that's when they discovered the hot springs.
The hot spring.
And water gurgles from the earth at a temperature of 763 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow.
Millions of gallons every day. And you can see this happening if you visit
The
Roman baths.
The Roman bath. Oh my God. You just gave me a history about the Roman bath. Oh, Christopher, it was so nice meeting you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Nigeria.
No, I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
And I just finished having a drink. So behind me there, that's the bath out there. So we're just going to continue creating content, showing you this beautiful Bath historic city. So let's just get into the video. Let's continue showing you this beautiful city. Right, so as you can see, I don't know if you can actually see me. It's very gorgeous street. It's a lot of restaurants, a lot of cafes here. There's a gold platinum studio, I believe. You can get a lot of gorgeous jewelries. You can get painting, you can get food. Beautiful pub. Yeah, so I believe you can get almost everything. Food, drinks, Italian restaurants. Anything you can think of, coffee, ale, anything. Beautiful street, this is just amazing. That's one thing I like about Bath, it's just so historic. And if you watch what Nicholas or Christopher said, he was saying that this place is so historic, and you can see Christopher gave you all the history about this beautiful town, and it's just amazing. You can't just get enough of this city. It's so picture. I don't know how many pictures I took so far in this city, but it's just so gorgeous. The streets are just picturesque. Look, like what I'm telling you, the streets are just amazing. Everywhere you turn, the streets look amazing. Look at Mo is taking a video of a beautiful street, and I'm here vlogging from a beautiful street. It's just amazing, right? It's just amazing. Even the dogs are having a nice time. Hello. Yeah, it's just so gorgeous. It's amazing. And I'm going to see if you can get some locals to say a few words about this beautiful town, because it's just an amazing place to be right now. I haven't even explored a quarter of this place here. It's just gorgeous. If you like the video so far, please do give me the like. It's very, very important for the video, because when you like, you're telling the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to your friends, channels, to suggest our videos to multiple people. I'm still shooting with Mo. We just had a drink. Mo had a coffee. I had a coffee and a beer. And I'm still hoping I can get some locals to tell me a little bit more about this beautiful town. Yeah, so if you're local, please talk to me. I'm just a YouTuber trying to show people the world, show people how beautiful your town is. And if you're from Bath, please do let me know. If you're from Bristol, do let me know. If you're from the UK, please do let me know. And if you're watching this video around the globe, please do give this video a big like. It's very, very important, you know. I don't know how to ask you, but I can only ask you politely. Please do me a little favor, like the video. It's very, very important. And also, if you guys don't know, not many of these telephone boxes are left in the UK. And this one still got tan. I wish I have a coin so I could call my mom right now. Mom, can you hear me? I'm calling from Bath. Can you hear me, Mom? Can you hear me, Mom? I'm just, you know, my mom is in the house right now, but it's still got that tone, you know. It's beautiful. Yeah, so that's what I was telling you. Not many of these boxes left in the UK, but if you go to London, you see many of them. But this is pretty amazing. And if you're in the Bath, you know, why not take a picture, take an Instagram shot around this box? You know, I don't have my camera here. I could have just take a nice selfie by these telephone boxes. And down here they have a beautiful shop. They have Jigsaw, they have Joe Malone, you know, they have beautiful shops. It's so picturesque. And also they have bars and restaurants, you know, like if you're somebody into bars, this street is pretty amazing. Just stay with me, let me just show you more of this part of Bath. If you're somebody into pictures and Instagram, this place is actually the best place to get all the gorgeous pictures. And also the street in front of me there, which I'll show you shortly, is called Quiet Street. I don't know why it's called Quiet Street. Maybe because that street is very quiet, or people that walk on that street are very, very quiet. I'm just going to flip the camera so that I can see this gorgeous Quiet Street. And also, I just got distracted a little bit. There's a beautiful cathedral just in front of me. I don't know, I think that might be one of the cathedral. I don't know, it's definitely not the Abbey, but you know, let's just continue exploring this gorgeous city. I don't want to ruin your view. There's so many places to explore, and I think it's so beautiful. You know, I've been to Bath, but maybe because I have you guys with me, I'm just enjoying this gorgeous city today. I'm just going to flip the camera so that I can see the hop-off bus. I was going to use this bus today, but I don't think we have enough time to explore the city with this bus. Maybe another time, maybe, yeah. So I have a feeling that this street here, there's a lot of bars and restaurants around here. There's a lot of shops. I believe for nightlife, this is the best place to be. I can see a lad just displaying skills. At the moment, we're still exploring this gorgeous town, and the time right now is 5 minutes past 2. And the building in front of me here, I don't know, it's now called Flannel. Flannel is like a designer store. I think it's owned by one of these super luxury stores. That's pretty amazing. I believe they have a Gucci, Versace, Fendi, all the designer brands you could think of. They have them in there. It used to be House of Fraser, but you know, I think they definitely take it over and start making a good use of it. It's pretty amazing. I just love this place, and it's quite a shame I don't have my camera here. I could have been taking a lot of pictures, you know. And also in front of me here, this is the Ivy. I don't know if you guys know about Ivy. Ivy is a restaurant. It's a very iconic restaurant in the UK. They do amazing food. Like, I mean, when I mean food, they do, I mean, delicious food. Look at it. If you actually don't know, this is where the Ivy actually is. This actually helped me so that next time when I'm in Bath, I know exactly where the Ivy is. Actually, in the building, I mean, a very picturesque building. Let me just do a 360 so that I can see exactly where the Ivy is. So earlier I was telling you guys the building used to be House of Fraser. It's still House of Fraser because I think Flannel just bought the building next to Jolie's. So the building behind me there, that's Jolie's, still remain House of Fraser. In front of me there, that's the Slug and Lettuce. So if you're somebody into a nightlife, you want to know where all these bars are, in front of me there, that's the Slug and Lettuce. They do amazing drinks, they do a lot of cocktails. So if you want to start your night like from Slug and Lettuce, that street is actually the best place to start your nightlife from. I'm trying my best to see if I could get some locals to tell us where is the best place to start your nightlife from, but all I could get right now, I believe, if you can find a Slug and Lettuce here, I'm not surprised. It's the best street to start your nightlife from.